Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim Reza from nasimreza.com. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up tracking for WPForm and send the event to Google Analytics. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe because it will help me to continue working on this channel. And if you need my personal help to fix your another tracking issue that you are not solving, then you can book a consultancy meeting with me. I will give a link on this video description. So no more talks, let's dive in. This is the WP form which is connected to my this contact form. So this is my demo website and where a contact us form is made by WP form. Okay, so why we need to track this? For example, if someone visit our website and try to contact this form, and we just need to track how many people actually visiting and how many people are contacting with us. Okay, so of course contact who submitted this form and send the event Google Analytics, we can see easily the view of our visitor, how many people and where they come from and where they are try to contact us. So that's why it's very important, and in future when you want to run ad on Google ads, Facebook ad and so on, whatever you want, this event will be useful and a very crucial part of your e-commerce business or what type of business you are doing. Okay, so that's why its tracking is very important. And let's see how you can send the event. So basically, right, if you connect Google Analytics to your WordPress, it will not send that event, because of it's a manual and this is the custom event. Okay, so that, and of course this form don't have any thank you page URL, so that's why it's sometime pretty critical issue. So let's see how we can send it to Google Analytics. So first of all, we need a Google Analytics dashboard. So if, like, when you sign in your email on Analytics, then you will make a Analytics dashboard, and here you can see this is the Google Analytics container. So we just need to first make, like, we need a measurement ID. I am going to show you how you can find it. So data collection and data streams, and here is the measurement ID. So if you are new, then you will see this page easily. Just copy this one, and we need another thing which is Google Tag Manager account. So Google Tag Manager is a very cool tool to help us to send any custom event to Google Analytics or any ad platform like Google Ads, Facebook Ads and so on. Okay, so we first of all we have to connect Google Tag Manager to our website. So this is the code we need to paste under our website head tag. Okay, just simply copy it and go to your website dashboard, and you can also get help of a plugin, a header and footer, and you can easily paste that code under your head tag. Okay, so I hope you can do that. So when you have completed this task, then we have to set up the Google Analytics part. Okay, so first part, you have to set up Google Analytics to your website, and the second part, we have to connect Google Analytics through Google Tag Manager, right? So for making Google Tag Analytics, we need to go to the tag. Okay, so this is the tag section, and of course we need to hit the tag, and here you can see this is the Google Analytics and this is the Google add event, and here you can see it's the field of measurement ID. We need to input our measurement ID here. So go to Google Analytics, copy this measurement ID and go back the tag assistant and paste here. And here you can see it said no Google tag found in this container. So that's mean we need to make a Google tag for this. Okay, so with this same measurement ID, just hit the tag here and just save it. It will automatically made by themselves. Okay, so now you can see the green mark is here, it's a tag found, so that means we are good. Okay, and here is the event name that we are going to send to analytics. For my case, we want to see the event called WP form submit. Guys, follow this instruction always. You have to send the event in Google Analytics with underclone. Okay, so don't use any space. Okay, this is a Google recommendation. Okay, and then it's time to make the trigger. Okay, so for my case, we are going to make a trigger custom event and exact same name, WP form submit. Okay, so let's save it and WP form. And this actually, don't worry about this name where I found it. So actually this is randomly I inputted here, so this is not a good idea. I'm sure about this, it will not work, but we have to make the right one. First of all, save this event, WP form, and save it. Okay, so it's now saved, and now we have to go to the preview mode and open our form. So you can see this form is opening here. Yes, this form is opening, and then submit. When we have submitted, and here is the thank you page appear here, and if I go back here, you can see WP form submit event is here, and this is the form star. So this is form star. We don't want to use this one because sometimes it's come randomly. So this is our event name format. Okay, so we just have to copy and change the name from trigger. Here you can see here our tag was not fire, even our this tag was not fire anywhere. Okay, so go to trigger, and this trigger we have made few moments ago. Just we have to remove this name and paste here. Okay, and then save it. So this format is really important. Why I made first one by myself? Because I just want to tell you guys, this name format is so important. You don't have to add or remove anything from the event name that you will get from here. Okay, this is the custom event name, so exact you should copy and paste here. And now I have saved it, and then go to preview again and test again. Okay, and I am sure it will work now. And in Google Analytics, we can go to the report, and we can see the real-time overview. Whatever you, here you can see no WP form event is came here. So let's try to submit this form again. Write anything and do submit, and go back. Here you can see now our tag is succeed, and go back to analytics, and I'm sure, yes, here it is, WP from submit is now appear on our analytic dashboard. So within few hours later it will appear on your report section. So when you your customer or visitor will visit your website and they will submit the form, it will appear on Google Analytics dashboard. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to support me, then consider subscribing to this channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. And if you need my help to solve your analytics or tracking issue, then you can book a consultancy meeting with me, because I am a digital marketer, also a part-time freelancer on Upwork. I'm a top rated on there. So feel free to contact me. See you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.